Welcome to this video on electrical resonance. We will explore this critical phenomenon and provide a practical guide for modern electricians, understanding the hidden forces in AC circuits. Think of resonance like pushing a child on a swing. If you push at the natural frequency, the height increases with very little effort. In electrical circuits, resonance happens when inductors and capacitors work in perfect harmony with the AC source frequency. Energy storage components are crucial. Inductors store energy in a magnetic field, resisting changes in current, creating inductive reactance. Capacitors store energy in an electric field, resisting changes in voltage, producing capacitive reactance. This creates an energy trade-off in an AC circuit. The crossover point is where resonance occurs, exactly when inductive reactance, XL, equals capacitive reactance, XC. At this point, these reactive forces cancel each other out completely, leaving only the wire resistance. In series resonance, the total impedance drops to its absolute minimum, resulting in low impedance and high current. Be cautious, as current can spike high enough to blow fuses or melt wires, and voltage can exceed the source voltage. Parallel resonance, often called a tank circuit, is characterized by high impedance. At resonance, the impedance becomes maximum. Energy is trapped and circulates inside the LC loop. This is used for filtering signals or in induction heating furnaces. To find the frequency where a circuit will resonate, we use the fundamental formula for the resonant frequency, or the sweet spot, calculated from the inductance L and capacitance C values. Resonance matters in practical applications like PFC capacitor banks, where it cancels inductive motor loads to improve the power factor. It's also vital in radio and communications, and in induction heating for industrial furnaces. In modern buildings, devices like VFDs and LED drivers create high-frequency harmonics. These harmonics, such as 180 Hz or 300 Hz, can unintentionally trigger accidental resonance, causing a harmonic resonance peak. Symptoms of resonance in the field include loud buzzing from transformers, overheating of conductors or capacitors, ghost tripping of breakers with no overload, and capacitor failure like swollen or exploded correction caps. If you suspect resonance, use a power quality analyzer. Solutions include adding detuning reactors to capacitor banks or installing harmonic filters to clean the lines. Remember, safety first. Resonant circuits can hold lethal voltages even after power is off.